I think the fight between the two countries is a draw. One wins the music hit and the other wins the best football. Or maybe I'm dreaming. Ghana and Nigeria historically have had fights over a couple of cultural elements. In football, questions like which country has the best team pops up. And of course in music, questions like which country has the most international hits also pops up. And of course in food, which brings us to the current and the heated debate, or you can call it fight. Which jollof is the best? Guys, welcome to the channel OBA Fact. Here we look into everything, bringing out the hidden fact to the public. If this channel is new to you, please subscribe by clicking on the YouTube button below this video so you can receive notifications anytime we post videos. Like this video, leave your comment, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for your kindness. In today's video, we point out the reason for the fight over the best jollof between Ghana and Nigeria. The best food beef ever to have happened in this world. Yes. Now, I want you to whisper the word jollof and let's see what happens. Go.
Jollof.
This is what happens when you say the word jollof in West Africa. You could easily start a fierce controversy of passion. That is because determining which West African country makes jollof best is an ongoing matter of local pride and contention. Yes. From last year till today, a lot of pictures of jollof stormed Instagram and Twitter, usually with two similarly images placed side by side. I mean, of course, one will always be beautiful than the other depending on the person that posted it. Ghanaians like doing that. Well, I'm not being paid to say this. Nope, I'm not. But yes, that is what is happening in the continent now. There is a bone of contention, or there is a debate ongoing, with respect to which jollof, Nigeria jollof or Ghana jollof, which one is the best. Anyways, the contrasting image is often an exaggerated inferior version, and depending on who made or shared the image, one side will be tagged the Nigerian jollof and the other side will be Ghana jollof. But as fried rice is to the Chinese, jollof rice is to the... Continue. Are you afraid? So as fried rice is to the Chinese, jollof rice is to the West Africans. Yes. Family gatherings, birthdays, coming of age ceremonies, engagement parties, weddings are only successful if this charming dish, carefully prepared by the African queens, serve as takeaway. Yes. Jollof is a spicy seasoned rice dish that is a combination of rice, tomatoes, and spices. It is eaten generally as a main dish in most West African countries and is also a staple at parties and family gatherings. It's composed of stewed rice with tomatoes, onions, vegetables, or olive oil, pepper, thin tomatoes, stock cubes, curry powder, ginger, and garlic. Spices, ingredients, and cooking methods slightly vary between households and even the West African countries. But the basic element of rice, tomatoes, and onions remain the same. Now, this is where the problem lies. The reason Ghanaians and Nigerians are fighting is because jollof is more than its ingredients. It goes beyond just the combination of different ingredients. No, it has to do with the person involved. It has to do with the strategy used in cooking. This is where the fights, this is where the debate as to which jollof is the best starts. Yes, it goes beyond just the combination of ingredients. No, I mean anyone can do that. Yes, you just have to mix them. But it goes beyond that. It has to do with the person who is cooking, the strategy used, the approach, the method used. Yes. So this is where the debate starts. Cooking process and skill is what really make the difference. You want me to prove it, right? Well, I'm giving you all the ingredients you need, and I'm going to use only rice and olive oil. I know you're gonna flop. The order in which you add the ingredient matters, and the person making it matters the most. Just like a good New York City slice. I mean, jollof rice in Nigeria and Ghana is everywhere. Each plate is as flavorful as the next. Yet, each jollof meal is a unique work of art. That is why the bone of contention. If you are at a party in Nigeria or Ghana, you don't have to search too long for, jollof rice. It finds you. In some cases, you have to be proactive and go after it because it's usually the first dish to finish. Now, my question is, Why are these two countries fighting over something that is not even theirs? They copied. I hope you're not pissed. Hey. Why? You're not watching again because of my question? Okay, let me ask again. Why can't we find Senegal in this fight? Are you okay now? Good. The origin of rice can be traced to the 1300s in the ancient Wolof Empire, also called the Jollof Empire, which spanned part of today's Senegal, the Gambia, and Mauritania. Rice farming flourished in this region, and jollof began life as a dish called a Thai boudin, prepared with rice, fish, shellfish, and vegetables. As the empire grew, the Wolof people dispersed across the region and settled in different parts of West Africa, taking their sumptuous rice dish with them. And this is how come Ghana and Nigeria and Liberia and then Sierra Leone all got their versions of jollof. That is why I thought it wise to ask this question, because it's a valid question. Why are these two countries behaving as if they were the originators of jollof? Anyways, we all know that jollof came from Senegal, originally came from Senegal. Today, every West African country has at least one type of jollof, which divides and unites the region. Each nation and family add their own twist and interpretation, which perhaps is the root of the fierce competition taking place across the social media, parties, and then street side chats. Some people have described this competition, as one of the most interesting and heated food debates amongst the diaspora. It is the most epic food beef of all time. West Africans making history, and this time is food debate history. Put it in the Guinness Book of Records. Ghana, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Liberia, and Cameroon are the main players in this team over who makes the best jollof. The Gambia and Senegal are quite laid back and rarely enter into the jollof controversy. After all, they give it to the world. Why worry? Nigerian food writer G. Majidi Ubuma believes the jollof fight between Ghana and Nigeria is arguably the most heated food debate amongst any diaspora. It's getting more attention than even the fight over national team. Another interesting fight between the two. These two passionate nations seem to love to hate each other, and both feel theirs is the best jollof rice. One main difference is the type of the rice they use. Ghanaians use aromatic rice, which gives extra flavor, while Nigerians use long grain rice, believing that it's the best for absorbing flavor. Both countries enjoy this gentle teasing, seeing it as a battle of wit where each tries to wear the other down with words. Some people also believe that this fight, ironically, brings Nigerians and Ghanaians together. It's a love language between both countries and is similar to a dynamic of siblings teasing each other. Musicians have also joined the fight. Akon surprisingly claimed that Liberian jollof is the best, even though he is from Senegal.
Liberia makes the best jollof.
Really? We often have these jollof rice wars between Ghana and Nigeria. Now, I've heard the Senegalese jollof rice is outstanding. As someone from Senegal, how do you feel when you hear about these arguments?
Well, it's not. Well, for Senegal, it's different because Senegal invented jollof rice.
Oh, okay.
Because jollof comes from...
Akon's putting us on together.
Yeah, just so people know, jollof comes from the tribe Wolof.
Okay.
So it was never... That's why we were never in the talks when it was about jollof rice and who makes it the best. Because we're the originators of it. It's like Italy with pizza.
Right.
They originated pizza. That's what they do. But the war is always who has the best pizza. Is it New York or Chicago?
Okay.
In the U.S. And of course, the Italian boys just watch and listen and taste and enjoy the festivities.
Oh.
So that's how it is with Senegal.
Okay.
He's lucky. Yes, he's lucky he's not from the green and white country or the Azonto country, like he will see. How dare you? Ghanaian musician Sister Deborah released an anthem in 2016 called Ghana Jollof with lyrics like Ghana Jollof, yummy, Nigerian Jollof. It's funny. Senegalese chef Perry Tayam, another one who owns a Teranga restaurant in New York City, believes that this banter is both playful and really serious. Well played. He said he wished all wars were fought like the Jollof War. No killings, no blood. Yes, this one is really admirable. Guys, everyone believes that their mother makes the best. We all enjoy both Nigerian and Ghanaian jollof. I would like to taste jollof dishes from other countries, and I know you would as well. But In my humble opinion, nothing compares to the delicious one from Togo. Yes, the Togolese also have their jollof. Why not? Why are you laughing? Yeah, so guys, this is where time will permit us. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for spending this precious time with me. I hope you like it. If you didn't really like the video, just like it. If you like it, just click on the like button. If you are not a subscriber yet to the YouTube, to this channel, OB Fact, please click on the bell button below and be part of the family. Anytime we post video, you will be notified. Okay, this is a new channel. I know that there's a lot to really improve, but yes, trust us, okay, so that we can also trust you. And as we move, as we grow, everything will be okay, everything will be perfect. Okay, thank you very much for understanding. Please don't forget to also share with family and friends. Thank you. Until we meet again in next video. Salute, yeah. Bye.